How to outline images with stroke. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to add an image, then add stroke to image. Start by going to File, New, Legacy Title. The defaults are OK, but you can change the title if you want, and click OK. Right-click on your video area, then select Graphic, Insert Graphic. Navigate to where you stored your image and select it. Now position your image wherever you want. On the right-hand side, under Strokes, click on Add button. Then increase the size and color to your liking and close this window. Now a title added to Project Panel, drag it above your video in timeline. One final note is that you can double-click on the title to open the window again and change its properties. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.